Alright, now I'm going to show you what's happened to the holler since a few windstorms and things like that happened. This is a trail that deer normally take. Pretty well used. But as you can see, there's a tree that fell. That was the tree. Actually, that right there. That was part of it. This is the other part here. That fell this way. Because this path used to go from here all the way down and in. Well, now, because it's been blocked off by the tree, which it's huge, this tree here is as big as it's actually as big around as I am, probably bigger. But the deer go this way. They pass through there. And then back there, right there, you see two little branches there. That was another tree that fell back there and blocked off the deer that way. So ever since these two trees fell, it's completely blocked off the holler in here. So maybe next year or so, I'm gonna come out here and cut these sections off, clear this again, or clear it as best as I can so that the deer can get through. Because they did, this was a well worn down highway for them, but not anymore. Not ever since this tree came down. And it must have came down, I think like last year, I believe. So, because there's the stand, which I'm replacing that. I'm replacing that stand. I have another one that's better than that one. That's in a holler in a separate area. That's brand new, or newer than this one. This one I got back about 7 years ago. So, all right. That's basically the update for